Cool, you got it? Awesome. So you can see I set up, I'll explain it for everyone, I guess. Hello and welcome. We're going to be doing some chemistry in Minecraft Education Edition today. My name is Megan, or Science Ninja Gal, and I have with me Megan P2, which is my good friend Adam. I had to lend him one of my Minecraft accounts so we could play together. So with Education Edition, you can only play together if you're in the same school, or like if you're all at public school in WA, you can probably all get onto the same world, or if you're all at a Catholic school, you can probably get onto the same world. Otherwise, you can't get onto each other's worlds. So I had to share an account. Hello. So, Adam, do you want to introduce yourself?
Well, my job is completely unrelated to what we're doing today. I'm in the Museum of Human Disease over in Sydney, which is suddenly becoming very relevant.
Very topical, yes.
Even though we have no specimens of COVID-19 virus, but we have a lot of pneumonia specimens, which is what it ends up doing to you most of the time. But, alright, no. Today we're doing chemistry stuff, and me asked me to be a very long time ago. I actually got a chemistry degree, so in theory, I know about that.
In theory, you know more than me, because you have the chemistry degree and I have the physics degree. So, so I set up a little challenge world for us to do. Yeah, okay, good idea. I will change the volumes just a tad. I will turn Adam up and me down.
This might be the first time in my life that I can be louder.
How's that? Hopefully that's okay. Otherwise, just let me know, Tim, and I will readjust. So, great. I set up a little challenge world for us with the chemistry features that you can only get in Minecraft Education Edition. And I put the mode, I set it up in creative, but I put it back to, survival mode. So that's going to be a real challenge for us. So I set up 2 challenges for us where we're going to have to use our chemistry knowledge to solve those challenges. So here we've got our 2 bases for doing chemistry. Do you want to be orange team or blue team today, Adam?
I do quite like blue. So
Okay, you be blue and I'll be team orange. So let's go down and have a look at what the challenge... Oh, I just hurt myself. Oh, well. So challenge number 1 is we have to make our pigs fly. I didn't really designate whose pig was who, but I'm going to claim this one here on the left. And you can have that one there on the right. So we're going to try and rescue our pigs from their pens with helium balloons. So you can actually attach helium balloons to animals and they will float. I mean, in real life, you'd probably need a lot of helium balloons.
depends on the size of the pig.
But yeah, it just depends on the size of the pig. So we're going to attach helium balloons to the pigs and see who can release their pig from the pen first. And over here, we've got some coloured blocks. And the second challenge, which we'll do after the pigs, is we're going to try and make 5 different coloured torches using the elements from the chemistry stuff. So our first challenge is we're going to need to make helium balloons. So in our chests, all we've got is food to keep us alive, a lead, which is like what we use for the string for the helium balloon, and a colour. So I've got orange for Team Orange and Adam's got blue for Team Blue. Apart from that, we need to craft everything ourselves. So for the helium balloon, we need helium and latex to make the balloon skin. So we're going to need to craft those things and race each other to see who can do it first. So, are we ready?
I'm ready. For full context, I have Minecraft for this week.
All right, so I will give you a head start.
Don't worry about that. No, this is part of the fun. It's the hilarity. You know? So if you're watching and you're getting really frustrated by me not knowing what I'm doing, I'm not really sorry.
Oh yeah, sorry. Before we start, I'll explain. So we've got 4 special chemistry tables. So when you open Education Edition, it doesn't matter what world you're in, you can have access to these 4 special tables. So you've got the lab table, which is not particularly useful because you can only make like 4 recipes with the lab table at the moment. We've got the material reducer, where you can put in a block, like if I get I'll just get a grass block for now. If you put in a block, it will reduce it down to the elements that that block is made from. So it's a really good way to get element blocks. We've also got the compound creator, which is really good for combining different elements together, which we will need to do in some of our challenges. And I think that one of the most important ones, the element constructor, lets us fiddle with atoms by messing with the number of protons, neutrons, and electrons, which make up atoms, to make the different element blocks. So in creative mode, you can just access these blocks from the menu. You don't need to use the element creator if you don't want to, but we're in survival, so we're going to have to use our chemistry knowledge to make those elements. So let's do our first challenge, which is to build a helium balloon to rescue these pigs from their pens. You ready?
I'm ready.
Set.
Let's do it.
Go. All right, so I'm going to try and narrate what I'm doing, but I don't want to give too many clues to Adam. So I'm going to make some helium first, which I believe is this, hopefully. Yeah, so when you're doing element constructor, the block won't appear unless you've got the right, I'll just grab a few, unless you've got the right combination. All right, so I've got helium. What else do I need? I need latex for the balloon, that's right. I think latex has carbon and hydrogen. Adam? Let's see what's in this dirt block. See if I can find some carbon and hydrogen.
We have to destroy this land to get all our stuff, don't we?
Yeah, or you can just make it in the element thingo. Okay, so I didn't get any carbon or hydrogen from that. Alright, I'll make hydrogen. I know how to make hydrogen. That's it. That's the easiest one. Oh, don't even need a neutron there. Okay, so I'm going to grab a whole bunch of hydrogen. Oh, what did you reduce to get oxygen? What do I need? Oh no, oxygen. What am I talking about? Carbon. Did I not get...
I got no carbon out of dirt.
Yeah, I got no carbon out of dirt. I'm trying to think...
If I was a gambling man, I would say a tree would be like...
Ooh, good idea. Okay. Oh yeah, you hold down... double tap forward or hold down control to run, Adam.
Okay.
And I'm going to get some wood. Wood is a very useful thing to get in Minecraft anyway.
Just for clarity, I appear to be chopping down a tree using a balloon string. Is that
You don't need any objects to chop the wood. Just... You can have nothing in your hands. It's just because you've got that selected on your bar down the bottom.
So it's not like the string's going to break because I've chopped down too much?
No. So later on, you can make pickaxes and stuff, and so they will slowly break over time. Let's try. Lots of carbon. Hydrogen, yes. More oxygens. And so I've got lots of oxygens and nitrogen. Okay, so what do I need? I need the compound creator. So for latex, we're going to mix some carbon and hydrogen. But if I just whack them in like this, it's not going to work because for compounds, they need to be in very specific numbers for it to work. So I think from memory, let's try this. And if you're not sure, that if you Google Minecraft Lab Journal, the first search result is a PDF which has all the possible chemistry, compounds and stuff you can make in Minecraft. So you don't even need to remember. It's like the recipes. You don't even need to remember the recipes anymore.
Hot tip, that's exactly what I'm using.
All right. Have I found it? Yes. Latex. Okay. So we've got 5 carbons and 8. Oh, I just told Adam what I did. 8 hydrogens. All right. Let's get a bunch of latex.
Where are the workbenches you have?
Oh, I didn't make them, so we have to make the crafting table ourselves. That was part of the challenge. So let's see, have I got enough? I think I do. So you need wood, Adam, for...
Yeah, I know, I'm on it. I'm felling trees as we speak.
Aha. There we go. So, let's give... Oh no, I've got to go get my lead and the dye. So I got orange and some leads. And so on a regular crafting table, so we've got the special chemistry stuff we made with our chemistry tables. I believe the recipe for the balloons goes like this. We surround it with latex, stick some helium in the middle. We're going to have our string down the bottom and colour. Great. Now, hopefully I can... Oh, it just makes one. I'm going to make a few. Oh no, I don't have enough latex. I need 6. Okay. Alright, well I just have one. One balloon. Oh no! 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 Ah! Had him beat me.
Winning, I think.
Oh, I can't like... Oh, there we go. Ah, there you go, pigs. You are free. I don't actually know what happens to them, whether they die or come back down to the bottom.
It does open a lot of philosophical questions.
Well, that didn't take as long as I thought. All right. Next challenge, which is a little tricky. I guess we should say any questions so far about making balloons? Or are we all good? I know Anna's... Hello, Ritzy's class. I know you're struggling with bad internet. It happens. So our next challenge is we're going to make some coloured torches. So here we'll do red, orange. I think orange is just a regular one. But the special ones you can make with Chemistry Edition are the red, green, blue and purple. So we're going to have to make some compounds that when they burn, they make like in real life, when they burn, they make the fire change colour. Yeah, no worries. We'll also post a video up afterwards of this so that you can watch the video, and hopefully that will be less laggy. But yeah, look at the lab journal for the recipe for the helium balloon, and you'll have to make the latex at the compound creator table because you can't get latex in the menu even in creative mode. So yeah, so we're gonna have to make a bunch of different compounds for this. What elements do you think we'll need to use for these colors, Adam? I would have no idea. I'd just be guessing. Because there's a few different elements that do different colors, aren't they?
That's true, yeah. So when you run a lot of different kinds of salts through fire, you can get all kinds of colors out of it, which is, I mean, they do that for fireworks, for example.
Yeah, I was going to ask. So that's how they make fireworks, all those colors, is they use these different elements. So
there's heaps of ones you can use in real life. In this, they've chosen 5, I think, just to keep it simple.
Yeah.
So I've got calcium chloride, which makes things go orange, like I assume more orange than a normal flame.
Yeah.
Cerium chloride, which makes it go blue.
Yeah. Does copper also do blue, or is that just my bad?
That's the traditional one that I would have gone with.
Yeah.
Oh no. In my head, so the copper sulfate is normally a blue chemical. Part of me, and I could be wrong on this, is thinking that when it goes in the flame, it actually goes green.
Okay. I think you might be right. Yeah, copper, but also like maybe they went with cerium chloride for blue because it's just the 2 elements, the cerium and the... Is it cerium? Am I saying it right? And the chloride, so you're only using 2 elements to make the compound, whereas for copper sulfate, you'd need copper, sulfur, and oxygen, so maybe that's a little trickier, so they went for the simpler one. Yeah, so keep going. So we had, you said calcium for orange, cerium for blue.
Mercuric chloride for red, which, of course, in real life could potentially get highly toxic, but that's...
Oh, yes. Yeah.
I mean, you could say that about a lot of these things.
True. I guess that...
Sorry, you go.
Yeah, I was going to say, I guess that's a benefit of messing around with them in Minecraft, is they're not really toxic, so we can do whatever we want.
More safety data sheets.
Yeah. So purple...
Purple, we use potassium chloride.
Yeah.
And green, we use tungsten chloride.
Okay. Yeah. And I think also in real life, like magnesium is like this bright white flame. And I think in Minecraft they've used magnesium to do the underwater torches and underwater TNT because it it just burns really brightly through the metal of magnesium until the metal's gone. So it's not like regular fire.
This is like if you light magnesium metal in real life.
Yeah.
Like they use it in flares, for example.
Yeah.
It's super bright. Like, and it burns quite hot as well. Which
Yeah.
is why they'll use it to light other things. So you can light a magnesium metal pretty easily and it'll burn really hot. And then you've got something like, say, thermite. Thermite burns super hot, but...
That's the one they use in all the action movies, isn't it? When they want to like burn through walls and things.
Oh yeah, I mean, you know, it's a fiction writer's doing that material.
Yeah.
But it won't activate, it won't start burning unless it's really hot, hotter than you normally get with like a Bunsen burner flame or something.
Okay.
So
yeah.
using a bit of magnesium foil to light that is something that people will do.
Cool. All right. Well, let's have a go at making all these compounds, and we'll put so you can have that row there, and I'll have this row here, and we're just going to put the each torch on the top of the corresponding color, and race and see who can get all their torches up first. How's that sound?
All right. Grand.
Ready, steady, go. All right. So, do I have any chlorine? No. I'm gonna have to make some things. So I don't need the helium. I need cerium, mercury, potassium, tungsten, and I don't have any of those things. Where? And am I just gonna have to make them? I didn't even know.
I am 100% just making chlorine.
Oh, I'm gonna have to Google. Help me, Anna. Tim.
Start by googling a periodic table. It should be
Yes. Periodic table is going to be my cheat sheet. Sorry, I'm just googling a periodic table to help me. And then each element has its own special symbol in letters. And Mercury's a weird one. Oh, there's Mercury. So Mercury's actually Hg, and the elements are determined by the number of protons. So if I go up to there, I think that's Mercury, and then usually they have the same number of neutrons and electrons. Usually. No, I'm not a. Help! How do I do Mercury? What did I do wrong?
I'm just bulk building chlorine at the moment because that's going to.
Yes, good point.
I'm not even thinking about
Oh,
that problem.
because Mercury is 80.
So as a little top piece, Megan,
Yes.
back to your chemistry days.
Oh,
what's
God.
quite unique about mercury as an element, particularly as a metallic element?
I don't know.
Really?
Oh, that's toxic. Oh, that it's liquid at room temperature.
Be good, yes.
It is. Oh, it has heaps of neutrons. That's what I've got wrong. So with the bigger.
Yeah, the further along
elements.
the periodic table you go, the more out of whack the number of neutrons is going to be.
Yeah, there we go. Okay, so it had heaps more neutrons than protons. That's what I was doing wrong. I'll grab a few of them. Alright, that's my mercury. Okay, so we need chlorine, which is down the other end of the periodic table. Yeah, so mercury is just the quicksilvery type metal they used to use in thermometers, right?
That's an original name for it, yeah.
Oh, really?
Really?
That's where quicksilver came from.
Yeah. And there is an adjective, and this is where we get a bit into where words come from. You can sometimes, if you want to be fancy, call someone mercurial, which means
Oh, yeah.
quick shifting and changing. So that came from that.
Right, well, I'm just going to go and make this torch while I have the stuff, and then I'll come back and make some more. Oh, wrong one. I want the decent. So, mercury. Now, the ratio which we put them together depends on their electrons, really. So we've got mercury, which is Hg, and chlorine, which is Cl. So we need, for this one, it's 1 to 2. And there's our mercuric chloride. And then hopefully, I need to go get some more wood, I think, to make sticks for my torches. And like I said, we're in survival, so I don't have an axe yet. that should be enough. You've got a sheep looking at what you're doing.
Yeah, I'm just...
You got a pet sheep.
I essentially am playing with the cheat codes on.
What?
No, not actual cheat codes.
Oh, okay, good. I was gonna say, how do you cheat? I think I turned cheats off. Right. So hopefully, if I put...
Coal, don't
Oh no, yes, I just realised that. So a stick in the compound isn't going to do anything because I need to put it on top of a torch, and to make a torch, I need...
Where does one find coal?
Okay, so this is going to be tricky. So we need a pickaxe to break down the stones. So you can build a pickaxe fully out of wood planks, sorry, and sticks. Oh, I don't have enough. So you put, lots of wood planks, you should see on when you go to the craft table, it gives you the recipes on the left and shows you what you can and can't make. So stuff that is grey you can make, and stuff that's red you don't quite have enough materials. So I'm going to grab...
I got me a pickaxe.
Yeah, get a pickaxe, and then there's a cave nearby. There's a few caves nearby, actually. There's one down the back there, near the trees where we were. And there's actually one... Yeah, let's go. So it looks like black spots in the wall. Oh yeah, also if you fall from too high you can die. Because we're in survival.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Life lessons right there.
Here we go, here's some. You should be able to find it pretty quick.
Yeah, no, I'm on it.
So trying to make torches. I'm gonna grab a bunch. Ah, zombie! I forgot we're in survival mode.
Okay,
Oh
so
no, I didn't pick up. Oh, where am I?
I'm gonna take that to mean there are zombies around that can kill me.
Yes, you can attack them with your pickaxe. Normally I play in creative, so I forgot. Here's some
I
more.
choose to move away from the zombies.
Yep, you can also run away. I want my coal. Go away. There we go. And a bat. Go away, bat. Alright, there we go. More coal. Yeah, so the monsters only spawn in the dark, so I turned this world onto always day, so we didn't have to run away and hide at night time. So I've got about 6 coal. Ooh.
I presume that they're there in caves.
Yeah, so I just went to a dark bit. And that's why I found a... skeleton! Hit me with a bow and arrow, don't die. So when you die, you drop all your items as well. And you respawn back at that platform where we started.
There's a lot happening here.
Where are you? Oh, you're back at your crafting table. Okay. Alright, let's make some torches. Okay, torch.
Oh, and we need magnesium as well.
Okay, so mercury chloride. There we go. We got our red torch. I'm gonna go put show off how far I've come and put my red and my regular orange. So you see they give quite a different colour to the regular torch. Right, what have I got left? Green.
I've done something rather foolish and misread a recipe for sparklers as the one for torches. So
Oh no! No, there's not. Alright, I will let you put a sparkler on, but you have to put them on right at the end because the sparkler doesn't last forever and the torch does. So if you want to put on all the sparklers right at the end, you're welcome. Okay, so sparklers use a different one.
Different recipe. I mean, the only difference is sparklers use magnesium as well.
Okay. I'll let you do sparklers.
I'll do
Okay.
torches the rest because it's actually a bit easier.
Yeah. Yes. So I did mercury. I'm going to try potassium. Potassium's also like one of those strange elements with the different symbol to what you think it's going to be. So potassium's, instead of being P, which is phosphor, potassium's K. So 19 protons. They chose all the strange ones, hey? Mercury, potassium.
Well, I mean, that's how it works.
Hey Tim, maybe you can look up why potassium is K.
In general, it's usually because of a Latin or sometimes
Yeah.
that it was written for.
There we go. So, got some potassiums. Oh. And so the colours that you're seeing the letters on. Oh, there you go. Calcium. The colours correspond to like where they sit on the periodic table. So you see lots of like carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, they're all green. We've got calcium, magnesium are blue, light blue, things like that. So they share some properties. What else do I need? I need tungsten. Tungsten's also a weird one. Maybe they just chose all the ways to it. Tungsten's wolfram, right? W.
Wolfram. Yes.
I just think it's a funny name, wolfram. 74.
Mr. Wolfram was a Swedish lad.
Oh, so it's named after a person?
Yeah. And in fact, I think there's still a lighting brand that half its name comes from Wolfram.
Oh, there it is. Oh, I see. So they've made the sliders on the element constructor so that... oh, cool. So that when you have them the sliders roughly equal, you should get an element. So you can see even though tungsten has 112 neutrons, the slider's like nearly the same height as the protons and electrons to make it a bit easier for you to get the right combinations without having to think too much, I guess. Well, they have to, like, you're not expected to remember them, really. I mean, the number of protons is the most important one. What else do I need?
Chemists will always have a periodic table to hand. They don't
Exactly.
I say always.
Most of the time. I mean,
I'm
you can
sure
just...
someone will
You can just Google it. What do I need to do? So I've got my tungsten...
How do I
Yeah.
drop things?
Um,
My inventory is quite full.
So press E to just like pick it up and throw it off to the side of the menu, and it will go on the floor.
Oh, I see. Okay. Yep.
Yeah, there you go. You can also dump it in the treasure chest because you kind of automatically pick it back up again is the problem. So you can also dump it in your treasure chest over here if you don't want it.
Oh, yeah. That's
Yeah. Otherwise, throw it on the floor and then run away from it so you don't automatically pick it up again.
I mean, that's an approach to life. It's just not interesting, isn't it?
Yep. So I'm going to make my green, I think, is tungsten. No? Do I just put one down? No? Why doesn't it want to make my tungsten torch? Because I didn't make the compound. I'm silly. That's just putting the element there. Oh, wrong one. Not that one. So now I've got to try and... Where's chlorine? Find the right combination. Ah, there we go. There's my compound. Now let's try again. Torch. Tungsten chloride. A green. How green is green? Oh, there. Oh, not too bad. Alright, and then I had my potassium. So I'm going to make potassium. Oh, I always go to the wrong table. Potassium chloride, which I'm pretty sure is 1:1. Yep. So potassium's +1, chloride is -1.
Cerium's an element I just so rarely think about.
Yeah, it's not really a common name or a common one that I've used or come across a lot before. Is it CE?
I am working on the assumption of yes.
Let's look it up and see.
Yes.
Cerium CE 58. 58, about the same number of electrons, and you can see when the electrons go up, it's really cool as you go up with the slider atom. I don't know if you noticed, but it fills the shells. So the first shell has 2 electrons, second shell has 8. Yeah, and that's how it happens in real life, which is really cool. Let's fill that up. Hopefully we can find it. There it is. Okay. Yeah, that's really cool with the sliders. I didn't notice that before. I don't know how many ceriums I need. Let's just grab a few. Alright, and compound. I'm not going to forget to make the compound this time. There we go.
Oh, so you did make an orange one.
That's just a regular one. Coal and the stick.
Okay.
Ah, no, Adam's nearly ready. Quick.
can I just make a normal one?
Yeah.
Okay.
You just need a coal and
Yeah.
a
In
stick.
which case-
Because they don't have an orange. No! Aha, I win. Just.
That's where my fumbling about.
Oh, show me your sparkler.
I haven't made a sparkler.
Oh, I thought you were going to make a sparkler. Oh, we can make.
I gave that up. Idea up.
Oh, so we got red, regular, orange, green, blue, and purple. And they operate just like the regular one, like in Minecraft. So if you want to light up a cave and whatever, you can. It's just a pain in the butt, I guess, to make the coloured ones because you got to make the compound and then all of that. So it's a lot more effort
Well, I mean, that's kind of half the point of Minecraft, isn't it?
putting effort into things. Yeah, but they're nice for decorating your house, I guess, if you want to make
Absolutely.
a beautiful house. Hey, llamas! I like the llamas. I don't know why. Oh, do you have any balloons left? Oh. No, I don't.
We're still straying into the zone of animal cruelty there.
No, because the llamas are funny because the guy's holding onto the lead, so they don't fly off into the sky. Yeah, I guess we can try and make a sparkler. What's the recipe? So you
Not
need.
a million miles. It's basically the same as making a torch, but you
Yeah.
add magnesium between the stick and the element.
Oh, okay. So let's try and make a sparkler. I want to see.
Magnesium. Oh, I got a bit of magnesium.
Magnesium's what, 12 from memory? Let's give it a go. There we go. Yep. Let's grab a bunch of magnesium. So you have the compound, and so let's put the magnesium in the middle, you said. Torch at the bottom, and then mercuric. No? Oh, is it different compounds? Oh, that's an.
Stick rather than a torch.
Oh, okay, yeah. So that magnesium and torch makes underwater torch. I don't have any sticks left, so I'll have to go get some sticks. Oh, you got one? Cool.
I got a sparkler. Alright, so just
Put it wherever.
down here.
Yeah. Maybe you gotta hold it down.
I'll try putting it on here. No, okay. Does it just-
Hang on. Let me get a stick. Without getting attacked by a skeleton. Alright.
Oh, okay.
You set it off? Ah, cool. And you got a trail behind you as you run around.
Okay.
So you did orange. What element
So
was
you
that?
you hold down the right button for a while, and
Yeah.
it will light. So
Okay.
Calcium chloride.
That was calcium chloride for orange.
Yeah.
Alright, let's have a look. So I need some sticks. Oh, I had these already. What did I? There we go. Okay, so stick, magnesium. I got mercuric chloride. Okay, so I got a red sparkler.
Alright, so hold it down.
Hey.
We can do sort of synchronized.
So you can't place it then. Yep, I gotcha. You just hold it in your hands.
Which is theoretically like a normal flare, although I don't know.
It lasts quite a while. Yours lasts for quite a while.
Yeah, it was at least a minute.
Oh yeah, I see. There's a progress bar down the bottom as the sparkler gets used up. I wonder if you can set fire to things. No. Do you want to try making some underwater TNT?
Underwater TNT. Okay.
Yeah, I know. I think it was magnesium and something.
Well,
Let me
no.
look it up. No?
Let me give you a hint. So, what's an element that is sort of famous for violently reacting?
Ooh. Oh, there it is. Oh, sodium
Sodium.
and TNT. I'm just looking up the recipe for TNT, which I do not know off the top of my head. Oh, gunpowder and sand? Yeah. I don't know if we're going to be able to find gunpowder. We might have to switch to creative. Or maybe I can just gift. Give everyone. What am I giving? TNT. Oh, this is gonna be dangerous. Oh, what? Give. Oh, all players. All players at a TNT.
Well, there's
Right.
no possible way this could be misused.
Oh, let's make a whole bunch. Hang on. Give everyone TNT. Oh, how do I say how many? Amount. Okay. Item name and let's go 10. Or do I have to put it in brackets like that? No. Okay. Sorry, I'm just messing with server commands, which you can also do if you're the host of the world. I'm the host, so I can do this, but Adam can't.
I just wait to be given explosives.
There you go. I gave you 10. So now we should have 11 TNTs, and we need sodiums. Alright, so sodiums should be, what, 10 protons? Oh, this is testing my memory. Okay. Oh, no, that's neon. No, 12 was magnesium. Sodium's less than that. Oh, you got underwater TNT!
So how does it explode?
11. Don't you just hit it?
That seems like a very terrible way to let.
Hang on.
explosives off.
Let me make my thing first. Oh. There we go. Some sodiums. Oh, I need more than that. There we go. Okay. So, sodium, TNT, underwater TNT! Alright. Should we actually go underwater?
Sure. Let's go grab some fish.
Oh yeah, I wonder whether all the fish like rise to the surface. Oh, I see. Alright.
Alright. I got a big stack of explosives in a lake.
Alright.
You're just gonna go up.
Oh!
No, that just gives you TNT.
See, I don't normally grief people who play with TNT, so. Ah! Sorry, I'm putting it back.
Is there like a fuse or something you have to?
Yes. Oh! Maybe we just light it up with the torch. Just a guess. I don't know. Oh, sorry.
Oh.
No, maybe you do have to fuse it with gunpowder. How are we so inept at Minecraft?
Well, I've got an excuse.
Yes.
Don't know about you.
Whoop. Didn't do it. At a gunpowder. Right. So, now we've got gunpowder. Do you go... Oh, you took away your...
Oh yeah, sorry.
Nope. Oh, without the pickaxe? Oh, just with your hand? No, see that just makes it go like that and I can't right click it. Oh my god. Right, gonna Google. Bow and arrow? Oh, redstone. I think. Oh, flint and steel we need to make a spark. And then okay. I will give this flint and steel. So, give everyone flint and steel. There you go. So this thing, when you use it, makes a spark. Oh, and sets things on fire. So when you use it on the TNT, it'll start flashing and then run away.
Okay.
Yeah.
About to be a big explosion.
Whoa.
Well,
Oh yeah. And look, the water's... You could use it to excavate caves under the water. Set up your underwater base.
This is not quite how water works.
No, no. Not quite. But, like, I could make a lake here. Look, ready? Yeah, the water in Minecraft is unusual. Alright. How flint and steel works underwater, I'm not sure, but there we go. Hey! That was huge. Yeah, and so now the water's rushing to fill. Well, kind of. Got a weird come and look at the water over here, Adam. I got a wall of water. Oh no, it's slowly filling.
That happened to me before. It's like, yeah, we're just
Invisible wall.
liquids apparently don't fill the spaces.
Yeah. I think it's because, like, it's got this weird thing going on down here. Anyway, so underwater TNT if you're building all your underwater bases. And underwater torches with the magnesium as well, so you can light up your underwater base. Because it gets dark down there. So that was all I had. That was all the challenges I had, really.
That's quite good. I like that.
Yeah, so if anyone has any chemistry questions of Adam
Huh?
or myself, I will try my best. But yeah, so I mean, it's not true real, obviously Minecraft isn't a true real life representation of everything, but you can do some cool chemistry stuff with it. So there's got colored torches, underwater TNT. It's got heaps of stuff. So if you Google the chemistry lab journal, it gives you a list of all of the possible recipes you can do. I think there's also like super fertilizer, glow sticks, ice bombs.
The ice bombs one really confuses me.
All right, well, let's try them out because I haven't tried them out. So we need 4 sodium acetates. Oh, how
It's more a case of, in real life, sodium acetate doesn't freeze things.
Yeah.
In fact, it does the opposite. So if you ever use a heat pack, like a little pouch that
Oh.
you click a little button in, that's the
Yeah.
chemical inside that's making it go warm.
Okay, so why would they have it in the... What's, you know those instant cold packs that you snap and they go really cold?
Mm-hmm.
What's in them then,
I have no idea, actually.
if not sodium? So sodium acetate does the opposite then.
Yeah.
So, quick check of... So 4 sodium acetates, and for that you're going to make me do the... Okay, that's weird. So I need... So acetate's like a compound in itself. So I'm going to need some... Let's just clean up my inventory here. Ah! Alright, I'm just going to dump all these in my chest. So we don't need any of these. Sodium... No, we need hydrogen, carbon... Need oxygen. Yep. So I need to go make some I've got sodium already. Okay, so I might be able to make sodium acetate already at the compound creator. this is going to be... See, this is like... The ratio for this is going to be too hard to figure out by yourself. So you really need to look at the lab journal for this one. Because if you don't have the ratio right, it just... Nothing happens. There we go. So sodium acetate. And this is a funny thing. Like, this isn't how a chemist would write sodium acetate, is it, Adam? Like, normally you'd have the sodium out the front. And then the...
Yeah.
Like...
Usually.
Yeah, it's a bit of a weird one. So a chemist wouldn't write it in that order with the carbon first. Like, there's rules around how you write chemical compound like formulas, and that doesn't follow the rule. But it's because it's a tricky one.
Yeah, it's not technically wrong, but it's not how people would normally write it.
Yeah, it's kind of like writing someone's name without using the capital letter of their name. You know, like technically, yeah, you can see that if I write Adam without an uppercase A, you still know it's his name, and then it's Adam. It just looks weird because you haven't used a capital letter. It's kind of like that. It's hard to explain, but it's high school. It's high school chemistry when you learn about all the letters and how to write the letters the right way around. So it just said you have to go to the lab table. So this is one of the recipes that uses a lab table, and we need 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and I see something moving, so hopefully, because if you put in the wrong thing, it gives you rubbish. Combine. Hey, I got a nice bomb. So,
4 sodium acetates.
I'll show you what happens when you put in like random stuff. So if you put in random stuff, it won't even let me put that in. Okay, and you press combine. you set your lab table on fire, which is hilarious.
Has that ever happened to you when you were in a lab?
Yes, at university. No, I think I just spilt chemicals and stained the bench. I don't think we set anything on fire, but someone else in my lab set something on fire, and the person who was supervising had to come over and put the fire out. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I did have a glue gun explode on me in high school when I was teaching one time. Like it made a pop, and there was like a burn scorch mark where the glue goes in, and it shorted the fuse. It set off the RCD fuse protector thingo.
That's cool. No, I don't think I ever set a fire myself. I did work in a lab where they replaced a fume hood because a whole distilling container full of something flammable caught fire and caused a column of flame to go to the top of the smoke.
Oh wow! So fume hood's like the big vacuum thing that sucks all the air up the big chimney, and has the glass door, and so you put your hand, so it sucks all the bad smells up out to the chimney, doesn't it? Let's go over near the water again and try our ice bombs.
It's my ice bomb.
Press E and it'll open up your full inventory.
No, I think for some reason I never actually picked it up on the table.
If your inventory is full, you won't pick up stuff automatically.
I didn't actually press the button. Wait, mine's it. Whoa.
Hey, there it is.
Okay. It does make quite a large explosion.
At least you didn't set fire to your lab table. Although I did do that on purpose.
Alright, got it.
Alright.
did once accidentally splash chemicals in my face. So when you eventually get to labs, guys, there's all kinds of equipment there.
There is
something wrong.
Yeah, and
so
there
I
is
have to use what's called the eye wash, which is a giant hose that I have to spray in my own face.
There, yes, and safety glasses. Although they're annoying, there is a reason. I have splashed my lab coat and safety glasses with all sorts of chemicals. So, alright, I'm gonna try. Whoa! Oh damn! I wish I made more than one now. That could be cool for making an underwater base as well. Oh, your ice block's in the middle, surrounded by water.
Yeah. Does the ice actually melt?
I don't know. I think if it's next to fire, it melts, but I think otherwise it just stays there. Because there's also so there's different biomes within Minecraft. So we're just in a regular woodlands sort of area. But you can also thanks for the follows, guys. You can also get Arctic areas with polar bears and stuff where it's snow and ice.
So I imagine the ice would melt there.
No, so the torch isn't melting it, but I reckon if we did some TNT next to it, or just set...
It would blow it up.
I'll just set a fire next to it. There you go. A flint and steeled. That should...
Steel just let you set fire?
Yeah.
Wow.
Now you're just going to set fire to everything.
No.
It doesn't last forever unless there's something for it to burn. Like, I know wool blocks burn. Let's try. That could be an experiment in itself. What burns and what doesn't burn, you know. So... Oh, you killed the sheep!
Correction, I cooked the sheep.
Oh, you cooked it. You have food. That is a way to survive in Minecraft. Alright, I gave us some wool. So you can use wool to make stuff, but also build. I think you can set it on fire. Ooh.
Yes, you can.
There you go. There are other things which, like, there are blocks which I think stay on fire for forever. Like, I don't know what they are though. Just trying to see if this melts the ice, but I can't set a fire on the ice block. I can set a fire next to it. Your ice is still there.
By rights, that should have melted by now.
Yeah, in real life, that would have melted because ice needs to be 0 degrees Celsius or lower. Otherwise, it melts, and water is generally... Well, this stuff is slowly disappearing, the stuff that I made.
Ice should also realistically float in water.
Yeah, well, if you hold down spacebar, the jump button, your character will rise to the top of the water. That's how you float. So if anyone has any other questions about chemistry stuff in Minecraft, let us know. We're just messing around with ice bombs at the moment and setting fire to things. So we did make some coloured torches, some coloured sparklers. Let me have a quick look. What else can we do? Soap? I don't know what you'd use soap for.
I reckon
Glue?
super fertilizer looks like good jam.
We can try... Alright, let's try super fertilizer, and that'll be the last thing. So super fertilizer is ammonia and phosphorus. Grows plants to maturity in a single use. So then we need to also... I might need to go eat something because we're in survival mode here for a challenge.
I think I've got this mutton.
Yeah. Oh, I did have chicken somewhere. Where is it? And some rotten flesh I got from the zombie I killed. So ammonia is nitrogen, hydrogen, I think.
Yes, both of those things.
So I have some hydrogen. I don't have any Oh, I do have nitrogen. Ah, thanks. No worries. Yeah, I love all this sort of stuff. Doing games and learning stuff, which is always fun. But yeah, this chemistry add-on only came out after I stopped teaching, so it's very, very sad. Because I think it's great. I think the only thing that would make it better is if you, in creative mode, is if you could get the compounds directly from the menu, but you can't. You have to get the elements and then make the compound. That's the only bad thing, I guess, or annoying thing. It's not make or break. So you have to use this compound creator to make the chemical compounds, and it's as hard to know what the right ratios are unless you look it up in the lab manual, the PDF. So I think from memory, ammonia is NH3. Let's give it a go. Yes! Alright, so we did some ammonia. What was the other thing I said? Phosphorus, which is just P, isn't it? Which is... phosphorus is... I need a periodic table in front of me.
Phosphorus is just P.
Yeah, I'm just looking for how many protons it has. 15.
I see.
There we go, and then get that slider up. Yeah, because when I looked into uranium, because in physics you do a whole unit on nuclear energy, and you start talking about isotopes and stuff. So it only has the stable isotopes, not
So What's an isotope?
Sorry, it doesn't do isotope. Isotopes are when you have like, so for something to be considered phosphorus, P, it needs to have 15 protons. Like, as soon as you change the number of protons, you have a different element. But you can have different numbers of neutrons in phosphorus, and it's still phosphorus as long as it has 15 protons. But this Minecraft doesn't quite go into that level of detail. Yeah, true. I might contact the devs and say about the compounds, because what it means is, like, when you're in creative mode and you just want to make like colored torches, for example, you have to go compound table and make the mercuric chloride with mercury and chloride blocks, combine them into a compound at the compound table, then go to the crafting table and make the colored torch, because the colored torch is an item, even that isn't available in the menu directly in creative mode. So for creative mode, it makes things a little trickier, but we're messing around in survival to show you how it all works. So it's not too much of an issue for us, but yeah. So there are colored torches over there. I forgot what I was doing. Compound, phosphorus, and oh no, was it lab table? Yeah, lab table for. So the lab table at the moment only has 4 recipes. That's the other thing that could probably, I think, have use expanding in the future. Ammonia.
Now, if I put a whole bunch of ammonia and phosphorus onto that table, am I going to explode?
Hey, I don't know. Try it out.
That's this is what we do in science.
Exactly.
We do things and find out why.
I did 1 phosphorus and 1 ammonia, and it worked. Ooh, what was that? What'd you get? Garbage?
Yeah, lots of garbage.
So I got 1 bag of super fertilizer, and I did 1-to-1. But now I have to go and make. I have to go get. I'm just gonna give myself a pickaxe. I mean, not a pickaxe. A iron. I just gave you a hoe.
Okay. With what am I going to hoe, or what am I going to hoe?
The grass, yeah.
Oh, right. So
And then, yeah, so that's what the super fertilizer is for.
Oh wait, I'm digging things.
Yeah. So right click with the Alright. Then we need some. What should we grow? Let's grow melons. Melon underscore seeds. 9. So normally you have to water these and take care of them, and it takes forever. So you have to do it on this. Yeah, there you go. And then you just put your seeds in. I'm actually going to make a few more super fertilizers at my lab table. Phosphorus, ammonia, 2 phosphorus, ammonia. Actually, let's see if I do it like this, whether that works.
Alright, I'm about to try out the old
Garbage. Alright, I've got 2 super fertilizers. Let's see how we go. Eee.
Oh, okay.
Oh, what did I get? I just got seeds back. How do you water things again? I haven't played for so long. Bucket of water. I thought there was a watering can. Must be a watering can.
It has a bucket.
Yeah, no, I don't think the buckets. I think there's a watering can. I think I'm doing the wrong thing. Because I think this is just going to dump water all over there. Yep. Come back. No! Alright. I just washed away my seeds instead of watering them. Don't use a bucket.
More water seems to be coming out the water I pull up there.
Yeah.
It makes sense.
I told you that water Minecraft is weird.
That being said, all the...
Oh, no, that's right. You just... Yeah, I remember now. It's been a while. So you have to have, like, water next to the blocks like that. And then it waters.
Now, what would we call this?
I think.
Irrigation, perhaps.
You're just making your own river system over here. But yeah, so a super fertilizer grows the plant straight away. I think regular fertilizer helps advance it in time a little bit, but not as far as the super fertilizer. Well,
So
that's...
is this a full-grown melon plant?
I don't know. I think so. But it doesn't have any melons. Yeah. It would be cool for, like, I know you can set up, like, automated farming systems. I think the, like, which auto pops down the, it, like, automatically releases the water and the fertilizer and stuff and then collects the stuff when it's ready. The super fertilizer could really speed that up. But yeah. Cool. Well, that's all we had. Well, all I had. What did you think, Adam?
Yeah.
Your Minecraft introduction to chemistry in Minecraft.
Yeah, it takes me back down memory lane. It's always fun mixing together chemicals.
That is true. Yes. But yeah, I think it's fun. I think it's really good to have the PDF next to you, or print it out, or probably print it out is easier, or on the screen, or if you have a friend and you're working together in a pair, have one person with the lab manual, they're like the guide, helping the person who's in Minecraft, like knowing the recipes, because they're new recipes and they're not automatically in the game like the other recipes are when you use the crafting table. But yeah, it's lots of fun. Underwater TNT and ice bombs are very fun. And coloured torches are very pretty. And the balloons, you can hang the balloons on, if I gift us some balloons, I'll show you. Oh, I don't think I can gift the helium balloons. Yeah,
That's quite
I can't.
ironic, given that out of all the things you can make in Minecraft, balloons would be one of the things you would give as a gift in real life.
Yeah, so you can attach balloons to blocks like fences in particular, so you can have the helium balloons just hanging off the fence, attach them to things like animals and watch the animals float away and things like that. So it is really fun. Actually, I think you can also attach the helium balloons to mobs, so the bad guys, so instead of fighting the bad guys, you can put a balloon on them and they float away. Maybe that's a more humane way to, although then I don't think you get the experience. Anyway, well, that's all we had for chemistry in Minecraft. If you have any questions, let us know. Otherwise, we'll put this video up on YouTube so you can watch it at a later date and have fun exploring Minecraft. Like I said, the chemistry stuff's only available in Education Edition, so if you have an email address for school or uni or something like EDU, you may have access. If you don't have one of those emails, you can get a free trial. If you Google Minecraft Education Edition, you can download, and I think you get like 10 free logins, regardless of if you're a student or not, so you can give it a go. It's basically, oh, there you go, now it's a melon. So you can have a go. It's just like regular Minecraft, except it has the chemistry features, which aren't in regular Minecraft, and the other features it has, which we haven't looked at today, but maybe we'll look at a later date, are the coding features, so you can get your own little robot and code your own little robot, which I think we'll do at a later day. So today was just, oh, you're eating melon. Today was just all about the chemistry stuff. Yeah, so the coding in chemistry is unique to Education Edition. Also, like from the main menu, you can get in Education Edition, you can access all these free worlds. So there's some chemistry worlds set up as tutorials to walk you through how to do all the chemistry stuff, or you can just set up your own world. You just need these 4 blocks here: the element constructor, the compound creator, the material reducer, and the lab table. So you go to creative mode, get them out of the menu, plop them down on the floor, and you're ready to do some chemistry. But yeah, that's about it. But thanks for listening, and yeah, hopefully next week we'll have another game and another topic. If you have any recommendations, let us know. I'm Science Ninja Girl on Twitter and Twitch, and Adam is you work at, maybe we can get
Human disease.
Museum of Human Disease. Maybe we can do a human disease one, a very topical one. We'll have to find a game.
I mean, Plague Inc. feels a little bit close to the bone at the moment.
Yes, although did you see they added a new mode for stopping the virus? Yeah, so maybe we could look at that. But yeah, thanks for joining us. I'm going to end stream, but like I said, get in touch with us on Twitter or Twitch if you have any ideas for other topics you want to see, or any questions about the chemistry in Minecraft Education Edition. We'll see you around.